Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today we're taking you on a tour of the stunning and ultra-luxurious Duomidusjoste Prevost Luxury Motorhome, a true masterpiece on wheels. Whether you're dreaming of full-time RV, living, or looking for the ultimate road trip experience, the 2026 Prevost sets a new gold standard for mobile luxury, comfort, and innovation. From the moment you lay eyes on the Prevost, it's clear you're not dealing with an ordinary motorhome. This massive beast features an aerodynamic design with high-grade aluminum body panels, full LED smart lighting, and chrome detailing that screams elegance. It's not just about looks either. The chassis is built on the Prevost H3-45 platform, ensuring unmatched road stability, smooth handling, and top-tier safety for long-distance touring. Under the hood, this luxury motorhome is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, delivering 500-plus horsepower, paired with an advanced Allison transmission system. That means this giant glides down the highway effortlessly, offering both power and fuel efficiency you wouldn't expect from a vehicle of this size. Now, let's step inside. And this is where the 2026 Prevost truly takes your breath away. You're welcomed into a fully customized interior that rivals five-star hotel suites. Real hardwood floors, marble countertops, hand-stitched leather furniture, and ambient smart lighting throughout. The living area includes a pop-out extension, making the space feel even more expansive and open. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a 65-inch 4K smart TV, full surround sound, satellite connectivity, and built-in streaming apps. You'll also find a hidden retractable office workstation, perfect for remote professionals on the go. Moving to the kitchen, this is not your average RV setup. The 2026 Prevost comes with a full residential-style kitchen including a smart induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size refrigerator with ice maker, and even a built-in dishwasher. It's sleek, functional, and fully equipped for gourmet cooking. The master bedroom is pure luxury. A king-size memory foam bed, wall-mounted OLED TV, custom wardrobes, underbed storage, and blackout shades offer a first-class sleeping experience. And the bathroom? Think rainfall shower, backlit mirror, touch-controlled water settings, and heated tile floors. It's like a luxury spa on wheels. Tech-wise, the Prevost is a smart home on the road. It features full automation for lighting, climate control, blinds, and security, all controlled via touchscreen panels or your smartphone. Plus, solar panels and lithium-ion battery packs keep you running off-grid in silence and style. What makes the 2026 Prevost really stand out is the attention to detail and the level of customization available. From exterior paint jobs to interior layouts, every motorhome can be tailored to match your lifestyle. Whether you're an entertainer, a traveler, or a digital nomad, the Prevost adapts to you. Of course, luxury comes at a price. Starting north of $2 million, this motorhome is not for everyone. But for those who want the best of the best, the 2026 Prevost is the ultimate expression of freedom, comfort, and prestige on the open road. If you enjoyed this tour of the 2026 Prevost Luxury Motorhome, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and drop a comment below. Would you live full-time in a motorhome like this? Until next time, keep exploring in style.